Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore how to view all attachments in your chats on the Messenger app for PC. Whether it's photos, videos, or documents, finding all the files shared in a conversation has never been easier. Let's get started with the steps. First, open your Messenger account on your PC. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials and get ready to dive into your conversations. Once you're in, you'll see your chat list on the left side of the screen, where all your ongoing conversations are displayed. Next, locate the chat that contains the attachments you want to view. This could be a conversation with a friend, family member, or even a group chat. Scroll through your list until you find the right one and click on it to open the conversation. Now that you have the chat open, look for the conversation information icon at the top right corner of the window. This icon usually resembles an eye or a small gear, depending on your app version. Click on this icon to access more details about the conversation. Once you're in the conversation information menu, look for the option labeled Media and Files on the right side. Clicking on this will open up a new section where you can see all the attachments that have been shared in that chat. It's a convenient way to quickly access photos, videos, and documents without scrolling through the entire conversation. To recap the steps: first, open your Messenger account on your PC. Next, find and click on the chat you want to explore. Then, click on the conversation information icon at the top right corner, and finally, select Media and Files from the right side menu. And that's it. Viewing all chat attachments on Messenger is a simple yet effective way to keep track of shared content in your conversations. No more digging through long chats to find that one important photo or document. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on using your favorite apps. See you in the next video.